Hi, my name is Michele Harmon, and I'm 56 years old, and I went with the surgery, the augmentation and the mastopexy, which is the lift with the implants. So my entire experience through the specialist in plastics was wonderful. The staff, I went with Dr. Daluvoy, and phenomenal. Um, the first part is the consultation, and he was so professional, knowledgeable, helped you with the things you feared. And I think what impressed me the most is he first talks about women's self-worth. You know, regardless of what you went through, if it were horrible breast cancer, if it was just some things you needed to improve due to age, due to having children, the normal things through life that happens, he was always there to reassure you about your self-worth and how wonderful you are and all. So he spent time with me. He wasn't rushing me at all. He wanted to make sure I felt good. He wanted to make sure he showed me what he could do to reach my goals. And that meant everything. Everything could not have been more smooth. I mean, from everything to the medicines preoperatively, the staff reassured me that everything was going to be fine. Even if you were nervous, they would reassure you. And it was perfect surgical day. And even post-operatively, for myself, I didn't go through a lot of pain at all. Discomfort was minor. It felt different, which was to be expected, but it was the easiest post-operative time. It was very smooth and very easy. So yeah, it was wonderful. And even to now, I'm very happy with the lack of scarring. And I'm probably 3 months out, and I couldn't have asked for a more perfect surgery and the way I look now. My experience with Dr. Daluvoy has been phenomenal. I actually worked with him at UNC Rex Healthcare, and I always took care of his patients. If it was post-op breast cancer or just women wanting to have work done, he did a phenomenal job. I was always so thrilled to see the work that he did. And so it was my decision to go with him. And just his compassion, the way he cares for you, the way he takes time with you, he makes you feel like you are his #1 priority at that moment. And you know, being a nurse, it meant everything to me. Making this big decision to have this done, and he is phenomenal. And I have been so very happy with him, the staff, and having done what I had done. So when I walked in the door, the staff at the front desk were so helpful. There was a prompt in seeing, you know, who you wanted to see and what you're here for, smiles, felt so very welcoming. And even the support staff, the ones that worked in the office, the nurses, the anesthesia, the consultationists, were so wonderful in helping you through this process. And even the times if I needed to call them and ask them a question, they were so prompt at returning your phone call and reassuring you and answering your questions. And I could not ask for a better staff here at Specialists in Plastics. So my life after surgery, it has been wonderful. I am so pleased with the work that was done, how the way it makes me feel, my confidence. Again, self-worth has always been there, but just the way I look, I feel, there's not been a day that I have not regretted having this done. Yes, it's a big investment, and we all make big investments through our life, but I can tell you that this investment has been wonderful, and I'm so very thrilled and happy I had this done. I would tell prospective patients to go for it. If you want this done, if you feel that it would better your life with your confidence, your self-confidence, and the way you feel about yourself, go for it. Just do it. Yes, you're nervous, But have faith in this whole practice. I mean, they're wonderful and they walk you right through it. And this investment has truly been the best I've ever done, ever. And hopefully that will be the way you feel, that it is a long-term investment, and I feel so good every day when I get up and see what I've done. And I'm so proud of it, and I'm so happy. I highly suggest go for it and do it.